Suzuki Cultus Euro 2 2014. Fully genuine outclass condition L12.75 Lac Final. Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are presenting a very clean and well-maintained Suzuki Cultus Euro 2, model 2014, a perfect option for anyone looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and practical hatchback. Suzuki Cultus has always been one of the most popular cars in Pakistan because of its durability, affordable maintenance, and strong resale value. This Euro 2 variant is even better in terms of fuel efficiency and smoother engine performance compared to older versions. Let's start with the model and overall condition. This is a 2014 model Suzuki Cultus Euro 2 finished in a beautiful sand beige color. The color gives the car a clean, decent, and elegant look on the road. It's not too flashy and not too dull, a perfect balance for daily use and family driving. Now coming towards one of the most important parts, the body condition. The inside of the car is fully original, 100% genuine. The seats, dashboard, door panels, and interior trims are in excellent condition. A fully original interior clearly shows that the vehicle has been carefully used and properly maintained over the years. On the exterior, the roof, trunk, and bonnet are completely original, 100% genuine. These are very important structural parts of the car, and having them original adds great value and trust for the buyer. The overall body condition is neat and presentable, giving the car a strong and maintained appearance. Let's talk about the engine and performance. This Suzuki Cultus comes with a 1000 cubic centimeters own powerful engine. The engine is smooth, responsive, and delivers reliable performance for both city and highway driving. Euro 2 technology ensures better fuel efficiency and improved engine response. The pickup is strong for a 1000 cubic centimeters hatchback, and the car performs confidently in daily traffic conditions. The car comes with a manual transmission, which gives the driver full control and better fuel economy. Gear shifts are smooth, and the clutch response is balanced, making driving easy even in heavy traffic. Now moving towards comfort features. One of the biggest highlights of this car is its chilled air conditioning. The AC works perfectly and cools the cabin quickly, which is especially important in hot weather conditions. Whether you are driving in city traffic or on long routes, the AC performance ensures a comfortable ride for you and your family. The suspension system is balanced and provides a smooth drive. The steering is light and easy to handle, making parking and tight turns very convenient. Suzuki Cultus is known for its easy maneuverability, and this unit maintains that reputation. This car is ideal for a daily office commuting, a small families, a ride-sharing or business use, a first-time car buyers, or anyone looking for a fuel-efficient hatchback. Suzuki Cultus is famous for its low maintenance cost and easily available spare parts, which makes ownership stress-free. Mechanics are familiar with this model, and service costs remain budget-friendly compared to many other options in the market. Now coming to the most important part, the price. This Suzuki Cultus Euro 2 model 2014 is available on an urgent sale basis. The final demand is 12,75,000. Considering the original interior, original structural parts, Euro 2 engine, chilled AC, and overall clean condition, the demand is reasonable and competitive in the current market. Serious buyers are encouraged to contact for further details and inspection. The car is ready for viewing, and genuine customers will appreciate its condition. If you are looking for a reliable, economical, and well-maintained hatchback, this Suzuki Cultus Euro 2 2014 can be the perfect choice for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected for more honest car reviews and urgent sale deals. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.